My mom and Papa used to be in a little jazz band. Papa played piano and Mom sang, and there was a trumpet player. And they played this song, Come Rain or Come Shine. I love this song, and we're going to sing it. Thank you.